Alibaba has officially launched the Wan 2.5 video generation model, and it has seen a significant improvement from Wan 2.2. Even the Wan 2.2 model was quite close to VO3 video generation, only thing it couldn't replicate some dialogues and other cases. And in this video we are going to compare Wan 2.5 with VO3. I already have some videos generated with VO3 and we'll be comparing that with Wan 2.5 with the exact same prompts. So to use Wan 2.5 online, just Google Wan video. You'll be having this first link. Click it and just click on try Wan 2.5 and make sure that you are signing in with your account over here, and by free you will be getting 10 credits per day. So 10 credits is used to generate one video over here, as you can see. So if you want to generate more credits, you just need to buy it. And here in the home page, here we are having the option to generate videos, and not only videos, they have so many options. Like if I click here, right, I am having option to generate video, image. I'm having the option to generate an avatar also, which is an avatar video, and even in the video they have multiple options. So after selecting that, click on this. Here we are having image to video, text to video, effects, extent, and they're having this in paint option, which basically replaces a character or an object in our video with our image. So they're having so many options like this, crazy. In this video we're going to go with text to video, okay? And here the model is going to be Wan 2.5 preview, the latest one, and it has audio capabilities also, okay? And next is the quality. Let me go with 720p and 16:9, and the duration is 5 or 10 seconds. That's the duration that they're having. And if you want any like our own audio source, we can even upload it. We can even upload our own audio source. And here they're having some spell book, like some references. So we're having the top light, soft lighting, the lighting is there. And next we're having camera and lenses, wide angle camera, telescope lenses, so many things are there. Camera movement, the style, like so many options they're having over here. If you want, you can just select any of those. And apart from this, here we're having generate with credits, inspiration mode, which enriches the prompt, and sound effect. So if you don't want any sound effect, you can toggle off. I want sound effect, so I will just have this. So this is going to be my first prompt. Multiple shots. A detective enters a dimly lit room. He examines the clues on the table and picks up an object from the surface, capturing a thoughtful expression. So in a single prompt, we must have 3 scenes combined like this, and this is what VO3 generated for the exact same prompt. So you saw that, right? Till this point, the camera is different. The detective comes near the table and the angle just changes, and the detective takes the pen, and then the detective thinks deeply. So we are having like 3 different scenes over here. Only thing that it didn't generate well was that the table is empty over here, and in the next shot, as you can see, there are things on the table. So apart from this VO3 prompt has done an amazing job. Like the sound, the footsteps, everything is so perfect. Let's see what Wan 2.5 generates for this. So I'll just copy this and put it over here, and this is going to be a 5-second prompt, and let me just enable this generate with credits. And this is the video that Wan 2.5 has generated. Absolutely stunning. Let me just turn on the sound.
This wasn't a robbery, this was personal.
And we are having the detective, and there are things on the table, and there is some background music going on here, and he just takes something from the table.
This wasn't a robbery.
As mentioned in our prompt, clues from a table, picks up an object, and then turns into thoughtful expression.
This was personal.
And he thinks over here, and he even says a dialogue like it wasn't a robbery, it's something personal.
This was personal.
I didn't even add that dialogue, but Wan 2.5 has generated it, and it looks perfect. For 720 pixel, this looks absolutely stunning. But now it can do the exact same way how VO3 can do. This is going to be my next prompt. A close-up of cutting a crystal dragon fruit making ASMR noise. That's the nutshell of this prompt, and this is what VO3 generated for the exact same prompt. The sound, the visuals, the way the person cuts it, everything looks so aesthetic over here. Let's see what Wan 2.5 does for the exact same thing. That looks pretty good, and the only thing I am surprised is why the dragon fruit is as shiny as some glass. Like, it looks like literally the knife is cutting a glass, and apart from that everything looks perfect, to be honest. I really like how the dragon fruit moves when the knife is like cutting it, like that displacement of the dragon fruit, that looks so realistic. And here we are also having that, I think, the gloves of the person, the left hand, when the person cuts it, we can see that gloves here also. Apart from that, the focus, as you can see, this portion is out of focus, the wooden area, and everything looks so good. Like, yeah, the sound, everything. So this is also like up to the mark when compared to VO3. This is going to be a tricky prompt for Wan 2.5 because Wan 2.2 wasn't even able to come close to VO3 for this prompt. So this is how the prompt looks. Basically, it's like a ad video where we have the product name, the text of that particular product should appear, and so many details, text overlay, transition, and so much of stuff should come like this. And this is what VO3 generated for this. Yeah, that was a stunning. Just look at the text, right? How perfectly it has incorporated that text into the video, and we are having a transition, again some text overlays, and at the end we are having this also. So I'm going to try this exact same prompt with Wan, and I'm just going to like reduce the time duration over here because I'm having here 8 seconds. I will just contain that with 5 seconds, and to be honest, I am 100% impressed by this output. Let me just play it. Damn, that is just perfect. Like, look at the text also. It's able to incorporate text right now, because in 2.2 it wasn't even able to write a single English text on it. All it gave for this prompt was just a lipstick video. If you want to check that video comparing Wan 2.2 and VO3, you can just click on the card. That's a great video also. So just look at this, how perfectly it has given that backdrop, and perfect pink, bold and beautiful. And at the end we are having the transition, UTT cosmetics available now, and it has even given this logo like thing, UTT. And by the single prompt we can say how much they have upgraded their video generation skills from 2.2 to 2.5. This looks absolute top notch. So I have been saving the best prompt for the last. This is going to be a POV style Bigfoot and speaking some dialogues as it goes. So this was crazy viral before this Yeti and Bigfoot videos in TikTok, Shorts and Reels. And this is what VO3 has given for the exact same prompt.
You're working 9 to 5, huh? But I am enjoying my life doing vlogs, unlike you losers. Learn to enjoy, man. Life is very short. You probably...
That's stunning, and let's see how close Wan 2.5 can come to this. So this is the response we get from Wan 2.5.
Enjoy, man. Life is very short. You're probably working 9 to 5, huh? But I am enjoying my life doing vlogs, unlike you losers. Learn to enjoy, man. Life is very short. You probably...
And the dialogue and the sync is so perfect. Like, it has literally said everything that I have mentioned in the prompt over here, because in the prompt I have mentioned it to say these dialogues like learn to enjoy life and these stuff, and it has said literally everything flawlessly. And the graphic kind of looks cartoonish. I guess that can be created by the prompt itself. That's pretty much it, guys. And I really feel Wan 2.5 has come so much closer to VO3, and in some cases it even performs better or equal to VO3, and the improvement has been crazy. Such a great thing from Alibaba what they have done, creating a model like this. And let me know in the comments what you feel about this, and waiting for Wan 3. That could be like the best video generation model out there. And that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.